Find features that distinguish it from other brands for FlamePen Premium Universal Rechargeable Battery Pen. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Discover the perfect balance of power, precision, and freedom with the FlamePen 650 mAh cordless soldering iron. Designed for performance and portability, it delivers adjustable voltage, 2.7, 3.4, 4.2 volt, for precision soldering, jewelry repair, and creative projects. The sleek black and gold design combines elegance with durability, while the USB-C fast charging enables continuous use even during charge cycles. Its LED digital display shows real-time voltage and battery level, giving you total control at a glance. Compatible with all 510-thread soldering tips, the FlamePen is versatile across DIY, electronics, and hobbyist applications. The 5-click safety lock, auto shut-off, and overload protection ensure safe and reliable operation. Lightweight, wireless, and protected in a premium EVA case, your ideal cordless soldering iron for professionals and creators who value design, function, and precision. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.